Hello, what we are trying to do here is we are trying to do reverse of a array. So it will be like that. So let's suppose we enter 37, 17, 10, 3, 20. So it will turn out to be like 23, 10, 17 and 37. So logically how we are doing it, let's suppose we'll do it in terms of 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are doing swap between 0 and n minus 1. Here n is the total length of array, so it will be like, here total length of array is 5, so it will be 4. Similarly we'll move on, then so it will say okay, so we'll say it will start from 0, then n and n minus 2. So n minus 2 will be 3. So here do we need the third loop? So the third will be swap between, even if we do or not do, it doesn't matter, it will be the 0, 1, 2 and n minus 3. N is here 5, so 5 minus 3 is 2, between 2 and 2. So if we see here the looping occurrence, so we are starting from, let's say 0 to n minus 1. N is the length of array, n is the length array. So if we say here how many loops are needed, actually at high level, even if you say here, it looks like if we 5 by 2, so n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1, these many loops are needed. N by 2 plus 1 loops are needed. Here n is array length, n is, are you following the logic at least? Okay, so we'll try to do this one. So what we'll do is we'll start the loop from 0 to n minus by following this formula, 0 to length divided by 2 plus 1 times, and then in temp we will store this one and we'll replace with this n minus 1 thing, length minus 1 thing, and then we'll put the temp here. So likewise we'll do the traversing. Hope this is clear, the logic is clear at least. So far we have only discussed the logic, and then we'll move on this one. Okay, so just quickly start on this one, jump on this one. So public static void main, public static void main, here string bracket AGS. First I will do with the hard coded thing, and then we'll go on the detailing part. So I will say int input, int array of input equal to, I will take those 37 17 37 17 10 3 20. So this one is input. I will say int output. For now, right now we don't know how many these will be there, how many number will be here, but as we know at the above, so we will say new int braces and then 5. We'll put the semicolon here, say to the array reverse. Do the array reverse, we'll pass this one input. So public static void will just do and print it directly, and then later we'll convert in everything. Public static void do the array reverse. It will be like this only, int array input. Main thing is logic is important, so that's why right now I'm focusing on logic. So we'll start on for int equal to I. Whatever algo we developed here, we'll follow that one. Array length I is less than input dot length divided by 2 plus 1, comma 5 plus input I equal to 0. Okay, so let's move on here. So far our understanding, we will start printing as well. System will be needing one temp variable as well, and temp. Now here we will be needing that thing. So for our understanding, again we'll clarify here. So starting from 0, let's suppose number of 5 divided by 2 will be 2.5. So we'll say 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So do we really need to run it to 3? No. So this plus 1 is not needed here. I think only divide by 2 is needed, good enough. Because length is anyways one more, so only okay, so this one is good enough. So we'll see system dot out dot println this is to print test web. Okay, so we'll say plus we'll say plus, okay, plus first one will be our input I input I and plus from last I will say input I from last how much it will be. So let's suppose our length is so from input length -1 input dot length -1. Okay, so here we'll see temp equal to now input I input whatsoever way you like. If you want to copy the first one, then temp is storing the last one, so we'll override this one. Instead of that one I will just type input dot length -1 equal to input I. So we swapped the last one with the first one. Now we'll say input I equal to temp. Okay, I think this should do the magic, and at the end we'll print everything. So at the end we'll say and then we'll at the end we'll so here I will say for I equal to 0 to for int equal to 0 to I is less than input dot length I plus plus system data dot println into elevate index plus I plus value is input I. Okay, so let's run this one. Don't wait in time. Let's run this one. Let me connect my battery. Here it goes. let's run this one. See, I will just scroll up here. So 20 came to the first, then 10 was at 10 place. It jumbled up, nothing happened. It seems it is not good, the logic itself is not good. At least white is doing the swap between. In the round 2, it is first round was good, but then the second round need to be between 17 and 3. It seems it did with 17 and 37. So this thing helps us in improve our logic, so no need to worry at all. So we'll see. So still something is wrong here. So as we move along for the swap in the loop round number 2, you're increasing I to I plus 1. It means it is going on the second one, that's why it is starting from 17, but it need to now come from the last. So if I say length minus array length minus, if I say array length minus that thing, will that help? If I say here in the second round, here instead of I, it need to be hard coded thing. My bad, I think it's I. Okay, so try with this one. And then I think might be needed minus 1 as well. So let's try with this one. Okay. So is it looking good? 20, 37, 20 got saved, and then 13 and 17 got saved. So second is, again it is not coming from the end, so again it picked the last one. So we need to stop this one wherever it is doing this thing. Temp is I. So just try to understand this one. So next time array length will be same. So array length will be 5. 5 minus I equal to 1. 1 minus 1. 5 minus 1 minus 1. It should be 3. 5 minus 1 minus 1 will be 3. So here also I think the same logic. I minus, okay. Let's try with this one. Okay, so let's compare this output. Now 2037 got changed, 317 got changed, and 10 got changed. Okay, good job. So I think that's how we need to do. So now we need to say we'll say even array. Right now we have done the odd array, so we'll do the even array. We'll say even input. We'll add one more. We'll say 55, and then we'll say even input. So let's try with this one. Okay, so let's compare with this one. 37, 57, 13, 37, 55, 17 and 37 and 10 and 37. Again something bad happened here. 55, 37 and 20 came here. The first 17 came. I think it is working good. See, 37, 55 got swapped, 20, 20 and 17 got swapped, and 3 and 10 got swapped. I think this is working good. Okay, so we'll stop here. Are you with me? Yeah, I believe it is working fine. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you so much for your time.